Hello everyone, this is Richard Nance. Today I have a fleet of 6 2019 Mack Anthems, MP8, 445 horsepower, mDrive transmission. These have front collision mitigation and side mitigation. These are fresh trucks. They have not been through our cleanup yet. They will be. They'll be through our service. We'll have oil change, filter changes, DPF filter will be taken out, removed, cleaned, and reinstalled. The system will be working as designed. I said there are 6 of these trucks. This will make a great FedEx truck, UPS, great addition to your fleet. First time owner operator, please call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.